Hello and welcome to Hashtag Quiz Tutorials. In this tutorial we're going to display all of our different keypads that are available for you to host with and the players to play with. We have 4 different sorts and also a bit of an addition with pictures in there too. Now the first one we're going to showcase is our numeric question. Now with a numeric question, what we do is when we send the question, we send it through and it looks like a calculator. What your players need to do is type in the number and then click OK to submit through to you, the Quizmaster, and you will receive their answers. The next type, well here we've got a multiple choice question, but we've also added an image. If you click on the image expands for if you're using a big screen, but the image will also go through to every player's device too. Now with the image, once a player taps the screen, that image goes away. This is a multiple choice question and the options are A, B, C or D. In effect, you're asking for the player just to tap one of those options in this one. It's multiple choice. So the next one is our letters question. When we send the keypad through to all the players, it comes through in a QWERTY fashion. They have to answer the first letter of the first main word, or whichever word that you've set up within your game. It's your quiz. So you need to let people know it's just the first letter required and it's not a spelling competition. As soon as they answer the first letter, that will come back through to you as the host as their correct or incorrect answer. Once the question ends, the answers are released and it changes up on their screens. The answer will come over one of the keypads or one of the levels of the QWERTY keypad, either top, middle or bottom, and also show them the correct result too. And the final one we're going to do is a sequence style question. It looks like a multiple choice question. However, what you're going to ask people to do this time is to put the answers in order. So in the order of the song, what would Rick Astley never do? Your players will type in their answers and at the end of the countdown it will let them know whether they were right, whether they were wrong on each individual sections. Obviously they only get points if they get all 4 in the correct order, and it will give you numbers on the sides of your players' devices too. That's been our tutorial about the keypad showcase. Have fun using the hashtag quiz system and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you again. Happy quizzing!